Hey guys, what's up? This is Magic Hacker, and today I'm gonna show you how to verify your YouTube channel for adding custom thumbnail. Okay guys, select your browser. Okay, then click YouTube. Go to YouTube. I'm gonna full the screen. Okay, now click on your channel. You can go to your channel. Otherwise, if you want to go direct, then you can select YouTube Studio. Okay, that's fine. Look, that is the channel dashboard. Drag it and look setting. Click here. I haven't uploaded any video. If I want to upload, then I need to add custom thumbnail. Okay, look, there are some options. General, channel. If I click here, then you can see that your channel name, you can select your country, your residence. Okay, that's good. And okay, and upload defaults. Click here. There's nothing. It's the way to upload any video. Okay, then permission, community, agreements. Okay, then click channel and advanced setting. There's nothing, and go to feature eligibility. Okay, there is some feature, default features enabled, which is already enabled, and look at the videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail, live streaming, and content ID apples. Okay, that is a perfect. Click here and verify phone number. If you want to add custom thumbnail, then you have to verify your phone number. First of all, select your country. If you live in United Kingdom, I live in United Kingdom, that's why they have suggested me to select United Kingdom. Text me the verification code and write your number here. After writing your number, you will submit. Bus. Yeah, you have done already your verification. After being verified, they will send you a confirmation mail. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.